Another version to make tortang talong. Only one eggplant, medium size, and one egg. Kuha tayo ng spring onions. Ihalo ko sa lulutuin kong talong with egg. Ito pala yung tumubo na na sibuyas, tapos tinanim dito. Hindi sa akin ito yung dito sa kapitbahay namin. Ito, yun doon sa baba namin yung bahay. Oh. Yan. Tumubo ito na sibuyas, marami siyang tumubo na sibuyas kaya tinanim niya dito. May tanim kami pero hindi naman tumubo yung yung tinanim namin. Talaga talaga 'yon, pang tanim talaga 'yon. Ito tumubo lang. Yan yung niya. Today I'm going to make another version of eggplants with egg and spring onion. This is similar to tortang talong, and this is a common Filipino dish. So I make another version. So these are the ingredients. This is not organic eggplants and my extra before I cook paksiw. So this one I get from up spring onions. So what I have to do is I have to slice this one and also this one. So just wait for my version of way of cooking these eggplants with egg. You can use 2 eggs, but for me I will use only 1 egg. So this one I will not use also. Now we have to crack 1 egg and put here in bowl. And then we add salt, 1 teaspoon salt, little chili powder, and black pepper powder. Pinch of black pepper powder. And then we have to slice this spring onions. This is fresh organic spring onions. Now we can put this one here. Now we have to make like this. And next we have to slice this eggplants. So better I will use only 1 because I use only 1 egg. So we have to slice like this. We have to cut small like this. I use only 1 eggplant. So this is, I slice it. So this is enough. Because I use only 1 egg and I add also half tomato. I slice in cubes. Optional if you want to put, no problem. Now we have to fry this one. First, this eggplant. Just I use only little oil to fry. Now let's check it. So this is already cooked. Now we can add now this. Now we have to cover. And then we have to change side. Now we have to close and we have to change side. Light gun. Ay. Oh. Ito inayos ko na lang kasi hindi maganda yung aking pag-change side. So ito naayos din, oh.